Hello, kindergartners. Today you're going to use the shapes that we just learned to make a robot. So it's up to you what shapes you use, but this is an example for you to look at and how I want you to do your own work. But use your different shapes than I use so that yours doesn't look exactly like mine. All right, I'm going to start with the head of my robot. I'm going to have an oval for the head of my robot. And I'm going to draw a square for its neck. I'm drawing big so that I take up almost the whole paper with my drawing. My robot has a rectangle body. Now I'm going to add some legs using rectangles. Some ovals for feet. Add some stripes to those. Now I can add some buttons on the body for circles. A rectangle for decoration with a zigzag line. Now I'm going to use rectangles for my arms. I want mine to have a little crescent shape for a claw, so it can pick stuff up. Adding some more details in here. Now I need some eyes. I want my robot to have square eyes. And a zigzag mouth. I'm going to add some little antenna to my robot. I think that's enough detail for my robot, and I used lots of different shapes and lines. So once this part, when the drawing is finished, then you would add color, okay? So you can color with markers or crayons or whatever you have, okay? All right, have fun.